guys, I was looking at the time and we're honestly, we have good time. So yeah, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. We might as well tackle this refrigerator, guys, because like, why put more food in there if it's not clean? So let's do it. You want to help? No. You can watch. Come on. Let's clean the fridge. This is a quick clean. Usually I take all the shelves out, but yeah, we just cleaned it. But this is like a quick clean. This is what you call a quick clean. We took the drawers out on the bottom so that we can get the gook. Alright, quick clean. Let's go. Let's go. Just scrub it down. You smell the bleach? Just scrubbing it down really quick. It smells so good. You smell it? No. Come closer. We are finished cleaning the fridge, guys, and honestly, the quick clean, it honestly took longer than just doing it the regular way. So next time I'm gonna just do it the regular way, take all the shelves out. Because I had to constantly keep cleaning the shelves or whatever, but yeah. Quick clean.